Hey guys, Vicky's up here. So I want to do a lightning bolt design on this t-shirt. So the first thing I did was to place something underneath. I don't know if you could see it. Like, if you have anything, just place it in between so that whatever thing you're doing doesn't pass through over to the other side. And then the next step is to trace it. So I'm going to use this pencil to start tracing it before I actually start the main thing. Sorry guys, so the next step that I actually forgot is to use my scotch tape to just secure the line so that the work comes out really neat and there will be no room for mistake, right? So I'm gonna put scotch tape around the lines before I actually start filling in with glitter proper. Alright, so now that I've taped the edges, all of it, alright, I'm gonna start filling in with the glitter.